So this is the what we're calling right now the North Pocono Trail. It is a former rail corridor that the county actually acquired back in 1980-81 and utilized Land and Water Conservation Fund dollars from the National Park Service to do this 8-mile acquisition from pretty much Dunmore to the Lackawanna-Wayne County line.
The location of it made sense because it was an old abandoned rail line. So the one unique thing about having it at this location is that you can see a lot of the environmental impacts were decades old. So there wasn't a lot of new environmental impacts or construction work that we were able to use an existing corridor, which helped with overall construction costs. And it just made sense because this system already flowed through the landscape really well and paralleled both the 435 as well as Roaring Brook.
DCNR has been invaluable in the construction of this trail, not only with the funding, but also with guidance, giving those approvals, but also tips and suggestions along the way. We were able to work out, many of the features that are present on the trail in cooperation and collaboration with DCNR. So we were very grateful.
There's also conservation, as you'll see, where the engineers and designers put a lot of wildflower mixes in that helps with the pollination aspects of it. So recreation is the primary goal, but I think anytime you can meld both recreation and environmental conservation activities and have a dual purpose, that's the best outcome.
PennDOT came to us over 7 years ago and had interest in reconstructing a major corridor here, Interstate Corridor 84 and 380. And one of the ways that they could get what they needed was rehabilitating the railroad trestle. Bringing all the partners together to say how we could leverage those dollars from the trestle to actually finally, after 40-some years, get the trail constructed. So it worked out. It was a great leveraging of a lot of different partnerships and a lot of different funding sources.
It was a wonderful project. I loved the collaboration. We had a lot of people, literally kind of putting their heads together to make all of this happen. And it couldn't have happened without DCNR.